Hi, I am Shrey. I have been rated as a top developer in this field with a 100% success rate. I have worked in IT for over 6 years and I have learned a lot from different projects I have been part of. I specialize in AI and ML, which means I use Python and tools like Django, FastAPI, and Flask to create smart algorithms that analyze data and make predictions. These algorithms help companies make better decisions based on their data. I also know a lot about DevOps, which is making development and collaboration easy using cloud technology. I have set up systems that help teams work together better and get things done faster. I am also experienced in 3D graphics. I use softwares like Blender and 3JS to create cool visuals and animations for different projects. It's a creative side of my work that I really enjoy. I'm always looking for new challenges and ways to learn more. I love to work on projects that use AI ML, especially if they involve working with clients who like to try new things and care about quality. In conclusion, I am very excited about the possibilities of working with you. I think my skills and experience could be a great fit for your team. Thank you for considering me, and I hope we can work together soon.